Hey everyone, it's Lexi here from 8th Avenue, and today I have a very special video. We'll be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Woo! Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's open up the box to see the phone inside. Already from the size of the box, you can tell that it's nothing but the phone that's contained inside. Okay, very beautiful. This is the Sierra Blue model. There are other colors, and you can see that there's a little bit of discoloration between what is shown on the outside of the box and the actual phone. But in my opinion, I think the actual phone's color is much better than what is on the outside of the box. Let's remove the protective plastic. So it's got a large 6.7-inch display. Let's have a closer look at the hardware. On the right, we see the power button just below the camera. And you can also notice the really big camera bump, nothing at the top. And on the left panel, we have the silent ringer switch as well as the volume rockers and the SIM tray. Just below the volume rockers at the bottom, we've got two stereo speakers as well as the lightning input for the charger. Let's set that aside for a little bit and look at what else is in the box. Here we have the SIM ejector pin or SIM ejector pool, some paperwork, as well as the sticker underneath. And then we also have the charging cable that comes in the box. We've got it as a lightning charger on the one end to a USB-C to the other end. Nothing else that comes in the box. No charging brick whatsoever. So it must be Apple's attempt to go green. Okay, let's go back to the device. It's got a really big camera bump, as I said, because it's running on a 12 megapixel camera system, a telephoto lens, a wide and an ultra wide camera on the phone. Let's turn it on to get a more in-depth look at the display of the phone. Well, the first thing you notice on the display of the phone is that notch at the top of the screen. It's kind of a distraction, even though they say it's 20% decrease from the previous version. It's still kind of a distraction, especially if you're used to that camera hole with an Android. It has a Super Retina XDR OLED display, and it's a really big screen, 6.7 inches. That's pretty big. It also has a really good feel in the hands. But one thing I must mention here is that it's actually quite heavy, which makes sense because it has also a much bigger battery this time. When I look at the side panels, I notice it collects a lot of fingerprints, which may be a problem, but maybe not so much if I'm going to get a cover for it. Let's talk about the material a little bit. It's got a stainless steel frame throughout the phone, and both the front and the back of the phone is made up of Gorilla Glass, so it is pretty delicate but strong. But if you even have a cover for it, then everything will be okay. Again, the camera bump is massive. That's because it has a really powerful camera system, which we will obviously test out when we're doing the full review of the phone. Okay guys, so there you have it. That's just been the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And I can't wait to use this phone. So far, I have a few reservations, like the camera bump is really, really big, but I'm sure the camera quality will make up for that. But in the meantime, while you wait for the review in a few weeks, make sure to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also follow 8th Avenue on all social media platforms. Peace.